Welcome back to Solutions for Financial Independence. Joining me now is John Halterman at Beacon Wealth Management. John, how are you today?
Hey, I'm doing wonderful. How are you, Sydney?
I'm doing good. All right, today we have a question from Timmy of Bridgeport. He asks, the stock market appears to be going wild, but I'm concerned about what to do if a recession happens again. What should I be doing to prepare myself?
Hey, Timmy, that's a real concern, and risk mitigation is a big part. I always say part of making money is not losing money. And what we all know is that in 2008, if you didn't prepare for risk, it could have had a major impact on your money. Now, one of the problems is that typically people mitigate risk by just doing one of two things. Either, number one, they have asset allocation where they're just dividing the pie, and by dividing the pie, they think that not everything's going to move in the same direction at the same time. Unfortunately, though, 2008, that didn't work. The other thing is people think, well, hey, I'll just buy and hold. Well, if you buy and hold, unfortunately, if you have a lot of time on your hands, yes, the market generally does come back. But if you don't have a lot of time, then unfortunately it may not work out. You know, the thing we do in our office is we look at everything based on supply and demand. And what I mean about that is I think all industries are going to be cyclical, and not everything's going to be in favor at the same time. And so what you have to look at is you got to look at where you think the markets are going. And you have to have some type of research that you can look at. And the first decision I make is, should I be in the market because I believe there's opportunity? Should I be out of the market because I believe we need to be in a defensive strategy? Or are we in a mixed market? So that very first decision of when or when not to get in the market is a decision we make to mitigate risk. And so if you're truly looking to mitigate risk, you have to make sure you have some form of research that looks at supply and demand on a daily basis.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, John, for sharing that bit of information with us. If you missed any of that, head over to WDTV.com and don't go anywhere. Much more news after the break.